Well, it's time to head towards Florida, so we decided to head south to Dayton, Ohio, where we stayed at the Wright Patterson Air Force Base.
Hello, I'm Mack, personal trainer and the muscle at Move with Mack.
And I'm Kirsten, certified health coach and the hustle behind the muscle at Move with Mack. And we look forward to sharing our RV adventures with you.
The fam camp is located right on the Air Force Base. It has spacious lots, a laundry facility, showers, and cabins that you can rent. It's pretty cool seeing the aircraft and all of the equipment because the fam camp is right on the Air Force Base. I was able to get back to my walk routine as there was a nice track on the base. The fam camp is located on Section A, and on Section B you will find the free National Museum of the United States Air Force Base. The Tuskegee Airmen display was our favorite display. Give Wright Patterson Air Force Base a thumbs up and the museum 2 thumbs up, and we hope that you give our video a thumbs up. Thanks for following us on our journey. Until next time.